My teacher told me about this and I was ecstatic. I just was so excited, and then I came here and I love it here.
We're so used to being able to pick up a device and just know how to use it. It teaches you the aspects of you can take apart a computer and then put it back together, the fixing it.
It's a really good experience. I mean, even if I don't use this after, it's fun to just learn how to do it.
State-of-the-art learning, real-world job experience. Students on a college path or driven to enter the workforce make it happen through OCM BOCES Career and Technical Education and New Vision programs in Cortland County. They spend half a day in their OCM program. It frees them to take part in any of their home school activities.
I love this program. It's an amazing program, and at the end of the day, you get to eat food like chocolate chip cookies.
You get a lot of opportunity. You do hair, you can learn how to do makeup, nails, pedicures. We do facials here.
Students meet personal and career goals when they take on the challenge of OCM BOCES 2-year technology programs in computers, auto maintenance, and construction.
As I look at 10 years in the future, this is getting the first rung on the ladder to just, start my life.
Students can also choose auto collision, cosmetology, culinary and pastry arts, graphic communications, and welding technology programs offered in Cortland County. By learning a broad spectrum of job-specific skills, students prepare for the workforce and post-secondary study. They earn high school core academic and college-level credit. Graduates who pass their program's industry standard assessment earn the New York State Career and Technical Education endorsement on their high school diploma. High school seniors can also choose to embed themselves in real working businesses when they choose OCM BOCES CTE and New Vision programs. Students go to school in offices and centers. They learn alongside working professionals.
It's more I think more like college, being in the program. And you get to see what your interests are and not just do the normal classes you would have to do at school.
I was pleasantly surprised to find that the program offered so many opportunities. I just saw her character change. She cared more. She wanted to learn more.
Because school, some of the classes are hard for me because it's not anything that I'm interested in. And being in this program has found something I like, so I'm more confident in what I'm doing.
Students explore environmental science at Lime Hollow Nature Center.
If you want the outdoors in your life for the rest of your life, this is definitely the program for you. This is where you want to start.
Research and hands-on projects introduce students to medical professions at Portland Regional Medical Center.
It challenges me, and I just do so much better when I'm being challenged.
Early childhood education and physical therapy professions programs lead students to daily out-of-classroom experience. CTE integrates English and social studies into a meaningful curriculum.
It's what I love to do. Instead of going to school and learning all the stuff that I have to learn, I can come here and do everything that I love to do and enjoy what I'm doing.
Going to school by going to work at OCM BOCES CTE and New Vision programs turns its students into professionals in the making. It puts them ahead of their class in preparation for their career journey. To make it happen, contact your high school guidance counselor. Find out more at ocmboses.org.